Hello, this is Sausan and this is my video about the activities on the teacher practice area. We are on the dashboard. I can get to the teacher practice area from here, from the courses. And here are the different tabs available. First thing that I always forget, turn editing on to start adding activities or resources, and this video for activities. Let's explore activities. They are explained from their titles. Their titles explain the nature of the activities or the apps. For example, attendance, this is for taking attendance online for students. Chat, for chatting. Checklist, for checking tasks, for example, choices, voting, external tool. We're going to talk about this in a while. Feedback, for giving feedback. Forum, and these are games. And glossary and group choice, the one that we do have. Group formation, group self-selection. I guess this is the one that we have, not this one. And interactive, I checked most of them. The interactive one is very nice, and it has a lot of choices. And this is content like mind map, podcast. We're going to use this in a while. Questionnaire, quiz, scheduler. It's a timetable, score package that we talked about in the exhibit portfolio. They are explained from their titles. And these are the resources, and we'll start by adding a label. These are packages. We'll start by adding a label, like a title for our activities. We choose heading 3, and the color, I like the royal blue. Activities. No, this is not correct. Activities. Heading 3, and we save and return to the course. This is a label. Then we start add other activities like podcast. For example, let's add the podcast, or let's start with adding the game snakes and ladders. We choose, for example, the source of questions, whether it's glossary or question, let it be glossary. Maximum number of attempts, let it be 3. Show high score. Grading, how it would be graded. Grade to pass, let it be 10, for example, or 80, and maximum grade 100. And grading method, which attempt would be saved, the highest or the average or the first or the last, let it be the last. Enable a start date for this game and an end date, for example, let it be 30. And there are other options. There are other settings layouts, columns, rows, number of columns, rows, and a lot of things, a lot of settings. This is the game. And I cannot attempt a game because I'm a manager, I guess. That would take us to an error. So we return to availability to add something else. Here it is, snakes and ladders. Let's add the podcast. For example, the podcast. Here we get pieces of information about the app. Let's call it lessons, for example. Podcast name and description and maximum size, options, user comments. We may enable comments or not. Episodes require approval of the teacher or not. Author names would be viewed or not. Display of viewers, name of viewers when they view. We can control a lot of settings. And browse by date of podcasts, browse by author, browse or approve episodes by the teacher, or browse by alphabet and add a new episode. Podcast may be prepared by teachers or by students. Let's return to our activities. We can add, here we have lessons, podcasts, and snakes and ladders. We can add something external. We can add an external thing, an external tool to Moodle through this tool inside Moodle. Let's call the activity peer grade. I have already chosen the tool from outside Moodle. And we put the URL. We go to this link. We had this link on the course. It's the Edu App Center, and it's full of app collection, LTI app collection, LTI learning tools interoperability that work or operate in all or most of the education platforms. We have different apps for different purposes. We choose the app we want according to the platform. We may choose the one that work on Moodle, for example, extensions, the access and their levels and their categories, and I'm very interested in assessment. So I chose something that has to do with assessment, and I opened the special page of that app, and we had the information about using this app and the configuration URL that we copy and paste in the Moodle. This way, I guess. Then we save and display. If it doesn't show in the Moodle, it means that it's not supported, although it's said by the website that's supported, or there's something technical problem. So we can get to the Edu app and search the LTI app collection. They are all supported by Moodle, or they support Moodle. They can work or operate on Moodle. So that's for the peer grade. The peer grade app. We will find it, but I cannot find it here. I don't know why. But has been added. I don't know what's the problem exactly, but it is supported by Moodle, and it is one of the LTI apps. So it's very nice. I like the idea. That's it for the activities. Thank you for watching.